Hey guys, today, let's build a simple automation together that'll help you learn foreign languages, and later on, you can tweak it to fit your own needs. Let's see how it works. Here, the chatbot gives us a simple task to help learn English. You can customize these tasks to suit your own needs. Then it creates the task in Notion using a pre-made template. And it sends a message to Telegram, letting you know that a new lesson is ready. Now we can see that a new quest has been created in Notion, and it's our job to complete it. Here we can click the Google Forms link right away to submit our answers for the task. Just fill everything in and hit submit. All your answers will be saved in the spreadsheet linked to the Google form. We're given a certain amount of time to answer. Then your answers are found in the spreadsheet and checked by the chatbot. It gives you some feedback and a grade based on your answer. Then it marks the task as done in Notion and sends your feedback to you in Telegram. Before we jump in, make sure to like the video and subscribe. I'm putting in the work to bring you solid, regular content, and that's how I know you're into it. Alright, let's break down how to set it all up. Here we can, for example, tell it to send you tasks on a set schedule. Like, you can have it send you a new task every 24 hours. But for now, we won't use that. We'll just add a manual trigger instead. Next, we'll add an HTTP request for our chatbot. Here, we select a post request. This is where we put our chatbot's URL. I'm using OpenRouter to make it easy for you to set up the automation. Now, let's authenticate using your credentials. Now, we put the request to create the task into the body. Here, I'm going to use Quen, and this is the kind of request we'll get. Let's start the node and see what we get. This is where we receive the lesson and task for the user. Right now, it's just a basic short English lesson, but you can tailor it however you want. Now we'll add a Notion node to create lessons for the user with a pre-made template. We choose to create a new page in our database. There's a ready template with basic gamification that you can check out via the link in the description. This is where we pick where to create our tasks. In my template, it's called Quests. In the title, I paste the code I prepared earlier. Let's shorten it a bit and get this as the title. Then we add the properties we want. We create a paragraph block and paste the content here. Add one more block with the link to our Google form. Let's run it. The task was created without any problems. But it's being created as completed because I set its status to completed when creating it. We need to fix that. Just delete this property. Restart it and see that a new task has been created, and we can check it out. Click the link in the task to open it. Complete the fields and send it off. Make sure to link your Google form to the spreadsheet that will collect the responses. This way, you'll have a sheet like this with all the responses. Now, let's add a Telegram node to get notifications when the lesson is ready. Add your credentials. This is where we send a message to the bot. Type in your chat ID. You can find it using the gamified bot in Telegram. Put the message text in here. It now creates the task, puts it in Notion, and notifies us. Here's the message we receive in Telegram. After that, we just wait for the user to finish the task. We'll use a basic wait node for that. To keep it quick, we'll set the wait time to 1 minute. You can set the wait for up to 24 hours and check hourly if it's done, but to save time, we'll just use 1 minute. Next, we'll add a Google Sheets node to grab the responses. I'm going to skip the credentials and just drop the URL in here. Next, we're adding another HTTP request to handle the answers and give a score. We'll hook it up to OpenRouter as well. Now let's add the request that handles the answers. The project file's already in our Discord. By the time you're watching this, it's been there for a while, and subscribers got to see it way before this video dropped. Run the node. And here's the kind of response we get. We'll also get a grade for our task here. Next, we want the task to be marked done in Notion, so we add one more Notion node. Same credentials as before, but this time we're updating the page, not creating a new one. Put our page here and add the properties we need. Put the grading code in here. Add another one and set the task to done. We run it and see that now our task is marked as completed. You'll also see the grade for our task showing up here. Now we just need to add a node to send the task results to us via Telegram. Pick the same credentials and set it to send a message. Paste in the chat ID and the message text. Just drag the content over here and you'll get a message like this. We'll get a message in Telegram with the feedback on our task. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. I'm working hard to bring you regular, quality content, and that's how I'll know you're enjoying it. Let's see how it works. Here, the chatbot gives us a simple task to help learn English. You can customize these tasks to suit your own needs. Then it creates the task in Notion using a pre-made template. And it sends a message to Telegram, letting you know that a new lesson is ready. Now we can see that a new quest has been created in Notion, and it's our job to complete it. Here we can click the Google Forms link right away to submit our answers for the task. Just fill everything in and hit submit. All your answers will be saved in the spreadsheet linked to the Google form. We're given a certain amount of time to answer. Then your answers are found in the spreadsheet and checked by the chatbot. It gives you some feedback and a grade based on your answer. Then it marks the task as done in Notion and sends your feedback to you in Telegram.